Hi, good day. Thank you for clicking this video. So today I want to share how we can share our video file using the Zoom application. Okay, I know there are so many video online that teaches how to share a video using the Zoom application. But recently I want to share a video, but I ran out of the problem. I was not able to share it, but I only have the sound coming from the video that I'm sharing. So now we are looking on my PC, which is the one that is hosting. Okay, and this is the guest that I have. Okay, which I want to share my video. So before that, I would like to share, to simulate the problem how I not able to share my video last time. Okay, so what I did last time is I went to my file, the file explorer, okay, which is here. Okay, open, and then I went to this folder and this folder, yeah, which I want to share this video. Okay, so this is the host screen and this is the guest screen, so it's blank because I haven't shared yet. Okay, so what happened then is I double click this is the video. Okay, so this is the video, it's opening. Now I go here, it's not yet because I haven't shared. Okay, yeah, so I close first, go back. So what I did is I went to the Zoom screen, then I click share. Okay, so then I click this one, share with computer and sound, these two, and this is the file where I want to share. So I click it, then I click share, and then now this is the host screen again, and this is the guest screen. Okay, so now I'm seeing the file explorer here. Okay, so now I want to go on to share. So I double click to play, okay, launching the video. Okay, so this is the video now that I want to share. This is the host and this is the guest. See, the guest got sound but no video. Okay, yeah.
Do you know why all of
Okay, so I stop this. Okay, so now I want to share the resolution of this one. So first we'll stop to share. Okay, so blank screen, the guest is also blank screen. So what I'm going to do is I go back to the file explorer where this video was. Okay, then I'll double click this to launch again. Okay, so this is the video. So now I will pause it. Okay, this is the host screen. Then I will try to go to this one or the window, the file explorer. So I close. Okay, so now I want to share the screen. So okay, so I click this screen and share. Okay, So now let's see here. Sorry. So this is the screen also here. Okay, so now I will go to the find the video. Just click. Then this is the video. Okay, so now this is the host screen, and this is the guest screen. Now I will able to share. So now I want to play the video. If it, so I start. So this is the video, and this is the video. So now it's moving, it's playing. Same as the sun.
Do you know why all of us are alive today?
So, okay.
It is thanks to a faithful man who walked with God a long time ago.
Okay. So I just stop here because I'm just going to show you not the video but share how I was able to resolve that issue. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this video will help you if you come across with the same issue that I have. So thank you for watching the whole video. Until the next video, and goodbye. Have a good day.